Good morning, students. Exercise 20D, question number 1. Find the radius and area of circle whose circumference is. First part is 132. So, student, we have to find the radius and area of circle. Circumference is given. So, circumference of circle is equal to 132 centimeter. Here we will write the formula of circumference of circle. 2 pi r is equal to 132 centimeter. So 2 multiply value of pi 22 upon 7 multiply r is equal to 132 centimeter. So students, r is equal to 132 centimeter multiply 7, because here 7 is in divide, move to RHS, multiply, and 2 and 22 are in multiply, move to RHS, divide. So 2 multiply 22. So 2 6 are 12, 2 6 are 12, 22 3s are 66. So r is equal to 7 3s are 21 centimeter. So students, radius is equal to 21 centimeter. So student, we have to find the area of circle also. So area of circle pi r square. Formula of area of circle is pi r square. So 22 upon 7 multiply radius, square of radius. So value of radius is 21. So square of 21 centimeter. So 22 upon 7 multiply 441 centimeter square. Square of 21 is 441. So 441 centimeter square. So 7 1 the 7, 7 6 the 42, then 2 is the remainder, 7 3 is the 21. So 22 multiply 63 centimeter square. So now we will do the multiply. 22 3 is the 66, then 22 6 is 132, 132, 22 6 is 132 plus 6 138. So students, area of circle is 1386 centimeter square. Now students, second question, find the radius and circumference of circle. This time we have to find the radius and circumference of circle. What is given? Area is given, whose area is 154 centimeter square. So area is given. So area of circle is equal to 154 centimeter square. So here we will write the formula of area of circle. So pi r square is equal to 154 centimeter square. Value of pi 22 upon 7 multiply r square, because we have to find the r. So 154 centimeter square. So students, r square is equal to 154 centimeter square multiply 7 upon 22. So student, we will divide this. So 22 sevens are 154. So students, r square is equal to 7 sevens are 49. So r square is equal to 49 centimeter square. So r is equal to under root 49 centimeter square. Because of this square, when we will remove the square, what happen in the RHS? The all the numbers or whatever is there, that will come inside the root. So r is equal to square root of 49, that is 7 centimeter. So students, radius is equal to 7 centimeter. Then we have to find the circumference of circle. So circumference of circle is equal to 2 pi r. Formula is 2 pi r. So 2 multiply 22 upon 7 into radius is 7 centimeter. So 7 1 the 7, 22 2s are 44 centimeter. So students, circumference of circle is coming 44 centimeter. Now students, see third question. The circumference of circular table is 88 meter. Find its area. So in this circumference of circular table is given, we have to find the area. So student, formula of area of circle is pi r square. It means we need radius to find the area of circle. Radius is not given, circumference is given. So with the help of circumference we will find the radius. So circumference of table, circular table or either table is okay, is equal to 88 meter. It is given. So with the help of 2 pi r, circumference, formula of circumference is 2 pi r. Here 88 meter, we can find the value of radius. So 2 multiply 22 upon 7 multiply r is equal to 88 meter. So students, after this you will find the value of r, that will be the radius. Then you have to find the area of circle yourself, then comment the answer in comment box. Students, question number 5. Find the area of a flat circular ring formed by two concentric circles whose radii are 9 centimeter and 5 centimeter. So radii is the plural of radius. So what is we have to find a flat circular ring, area of flat circular ring formed by two concentric circles. So what are concentric circles? The circles or two circles whose center is same, whose center is same. That type of circles are called concentric circles. So see, first of all we will draw both the circles. It is drawn from this center. The same circle will be drawn from the center like this, means center is same. So these two circles are concentric circles. So we have to find this area. This area we have to find. So radii are given. So this radii is 9 centimeter and this radii is 5 centimeter. So area of flat circular ring formed by two concentric circle is equal to pi bracket capital R square minus small r square, bracket close. Pi inside the bracket capital R square minus small r square, means capital R means bigger radius minus smaller radius. So now student, we will put the value 22 upon 7, then this bracket. So capital R square, capital R or bigger radius is 9 centimeter. It means 9 centimeter square minus smaller radius. It means 5 centimeter square, bracket close. So 22 upon 7, 9 9s are 81 centimeter square minus 5 5s are 25 centimeter square. So students, 22 upon 7 multiply. So when we will subtract this, what we will get? 11 minus 5, 6. Then 7 minus 2, 5. 56 centimeter square. So 7 8s are 56. So do the multiply. 8 to the 16. 8 to the 16, 117. 176 centimeter square is the area of flat circular ring formed by two concentric circles. Now students, see question number 6. Find the area of the shaded portion. First part is this. So student, we have to find the area of this portion. Shaded portion is this. So you can see this is a square and this one is circle. So student, if we will cut the circle or take the circle from the square, which portion will be left? These portions will be left. So we will minus or subtract the area of circle from the area of square. So formula of area of circle is pi r square. We have radius, this one is radius, so we can find the area of circle. So area of square is side square, so we don't have the side of square. This one is side, this one also, this one also. Side of square are equal, all four sides are equal inside square, so we have to find the sides of square. So student, you can see from here to here is 7 centimeter, then from here to here also 770, because radius from the center and all the circumference where we can draw the radius all will equal. So this one is also 7 centimeter. So side of square is equal to 7 centimeter plus 7 centimeter is equal to 14 centimeter. So now we have side is 14 centimeter. So students, area of shaded portion is equal to area of square minus area of circle. So area of square is side square, so side is 14 centimeter square, minus area of circle is pi r square, so pi 22 upon 7 multiply r 7 centimeter square, like this. So square of 14, 196 centimeter square, minus 22 upon 7 multiply 7 7 the 49 centimeter square. So 7 7 the 49. So 196 centimeter square minus 7 to the 14, carry 1, 7 to the 14 and 1 15, 154 centimeter square. So student, we can subtract this. 6 minus 4 2, then 9 minus 5 4, then 1 minus 1 0. So area of shaded portion is equal to 42 centimeter square. Now students, see seventh question. The radii of the inner and outer circumference of a circular track are 63 meter and 70 meter respectively. Find area of the track. So radii are given that 70 meter inner and outer. This one is inner circle 60 meter, 63 meter. This one is 63 meter. So student, we have to find the area of track, means area of this portion track. So same formula we will use. Area of track is equal to pi capital R square minus small r square. So is equal to 22 upon 7. Then capital R means 70 meter square minus small r, that is 63 meter square. So 22 upon 7, then square of 70 is 4900 meter square minus square of 63. So student, we will do the square of 63. So square of 63 we can do here. 3 3 is 9, 3 6 is 18, then 6 3 is 18, 8 6 6 is 36 and 1 37. So 9 8 8 16, carry 1 7 1 8 and 1 9, then 3 3 9 6 9 meter square. So student, now we will subtract this. 22 upon 7 multiply. So what is coming? Then 10 minus 9 1, 9 minus 6 3, then 18 minus 9 9, 931. So we can divide this. 7 1 the 7, remainder is 223, 7 3 is 21, 7 3 is 21. So students, now we will do the multiply. 22 3 is 66, carry 6, 22 3 is 66 and 6, that will come 72. 7 is there, 22 1 the 22 and 7 29. meter square. So students, area of track is coming 2926 meter square. So student, in second part we have to find out the difference between the length of two circumferences of track, means the difference of circumference of both the circle. So we will write difference is equal to difference between the circumference. So formula of circumference is 2 pi r, capital R we will use, minus 2 pi small r we will use here. So students, we can take 2 pi common because value of 2 pi is same in both the formula. So 2 pi is common. So when we will divide this, 2 pi to 2 pi cancel, r is left, minus in the same way small r is left. So is equal to, now we can put the value 2 multiply 22 upon 7, then capital R is 70 meter minus small r 63 meter. So students, 2 multiply 22 upon 7 multiply 70 meter minus 63 meter, that will come 7 meter. So 7 1 the 7. So 22 2 is 44, 44 1 the 44. So 44 meter is the difference between its circumference. Here write second part because it is second part. So student, as we are taking common here after writing the formula of circumference, both the formulas, we are doing same in the area formula also. We are doing same in the area formula also. Now students, see 8th question. A circular field of radius 105 meter has a circular path of uniform width of 5 meter. So student, first of all we will draw a circular field. So suppose on page this is a circular field, radius is 105 meter. This radius is given 105 meter. So we can give the name also, OA, like this. We can give the name. It is better to give the name. So has a circular path of uniform width of 5 meter along and inside its boundary. So path is inside the boundary. So like this is a circular path. Means this path. This is a circular path. Inside the boundary field, inside the that boundary of the field. This. The width of this path is this width. Students, this width. This one is 5 meter. This width is 5 meter. It means radius, this radius will be from here to here, means complete is 105 meter, and from here to here will be 100 meter because 5 meter is here. So this will be 100 meter. Then here we will write B, OB. So students, we have OA is equal to 105 meter. OA is equal to 105 meter. Then OB is equal to 105 meter minus, because from here to here 105 meter, radius is 105 meter, then 5 meter is less here from here to here OB. So we will subtract 5 meter from 105 meter. So it will come 100 meter. So we have both the radius or radii. So students, what we have to find the area of the path. We have to find this area. So students, I hope you can find this area. So find the area, then comment the answer in comment box. Now students, see question number 10. A wire when bent in the form of a square encloses an area 484 centimeter square. Find one side of square. So students, area of square is given. We have to find the side of square. So we can find for the first part. So area of square is equal to 484 centimeter square. So side is area of square. Formula is side square. So side square is equal to 484 centimeter square. So side is equal to under root 484 centimeter square. So student side is equal to 22 centimeter because 484 is a square of 22. So side is coming 22 centimeter. So student, first part, one side of square. So one side of square is equal to one side of square is equal to 22 centimeter. It is the answer of first part. Then second part, length of the wire. So length of the wire also we have to find. So length of the wire means the perimeter of a square. Perimeter of a square means sum of all sides. It will be the length of wire because wire was bent in the form of a square. So we will find the perimeter of a square for length of the wire. So length of the wire, inside the bracket we can write perimeter of square. So formula is 4 into side. So 4 multiply 22 centimeter, it means 88 centimeter is the length of the wire. So now students, the largest area enclosed if the same wire is bent to form circle. So same wire is now bent to form a circle. So we have to find the area of circle. So how we can find? Nothing is given about the circle, either radius or circumference, nothing is given. So students, length of the wire is 88 centimeter. So that length we will enclose to the circle. It means length will not change, length of the wire will not change. So that will be the circumference of circle. Circumference of circle means this boundary of circle. So that will be the circumference of circle. So it's students, it means 88 centimeter is the circumference of circle. So circumference of circle is equal to 88 centimeter. To find the area of circle we need radius. So with the help of this circumference we will find the radius. So formula is 2 pi r. So 2 pi r is equal to 88 centimeter. So 2 multiply 22 upon 7 multiply r is equal to 88 centimeter. So students, r is equal to 88 centimeter multiply 7 upon 2 multiply 22. So 22 for the 88, 2 to the 4. So r is equal to 14 centimeter. So students, radius is equal to 14 centimeter. So student, now we can find the area of circle. So area of circle is equal to pi r square. Radius we have 14 centimeter. So area of circle is equal to pi r square. So 22 upon 7 multiply radius is 14 centimeter. So square of 14 centimeter. So 22 upon 7 multiply 196 centimeter square. So we can divide this. 7 to the 14, 7 8 the 56. So 22 multiply 28. So 22 multiply 28, 22 8 the. So do here 2 8 the 16, 2 2 the 4 and 1 5. 2 8 the 16, 2 to 4 1 5. So 6 plus 5 11, carry 1, then 5 1 6. So it is coming 616 centimeter square. So students, area of circle is coming 616 centimeter square. Now students, see question number 12. The radius of a circular wheel is 42 centimeter. So radius is given of the circular wheel. Find the distance traveled by it in one revolution. So we have to find the distance traveled by that wheel in one revolution. So students, the distance traveled by wheel in one revolution is its circumference. So it means for that we will find the circumference of that circular wheel. So what we will write, see, distance traveled by wheel in one revolution is inside the bracket, better to write circumference is equal to 2 pi r is equal to 2 multiply 22 upon 7 radius 42 centimeter. So students, 7 6 are 42. So is equal to 22 2 the 44, 44 6 are, so 6 4 the 24, 2 carry 6 4 the 24 and 2 26, so 264 centimeter. So distance traveled by wheel in one revolution is 264 centimeter. In second part, in 50 revolution. So students, distance traveled by wheel in 50 revolutions is equal to, distance travel in one revolution is 264 centimeter, in 50 revolution multiply by 50. So student, we can find this. 5 4 the 20, 0, then 5 6 the 30 and 2 32, then 3 carry 5 2 the 10 and 3 13. So 13,200 centimeter is the distance traveled by wheel in 50 revolutions. Now we have to find the distance traveled by wheel in 200 revolutions. So students, easily we can find. So in third part, distance traveled by wheel in 200 revolutions is equal to, distance travel in one revolution 264 centimeter, in 200 revolution multiply by 200. So students, we will do the multiply of this. So 2 4 the 8, 2 6 the 12, carry 1 2 2 the 4 and 1 5, so 2 0. So 52,800 centimeter is the distance traveled by wheel in 200 revolutions. Students, exercise 20D is completed.